At Nolathane, we've been enhancing vehicle performance for over 50 years, and now we're bringing our expertise to the USA. Renowned globally for innovation, precision, and durability, Nolathane is here to redefine your ride. Trusted by mechanics and enthusiasts alike, for decades, Nolathane has been the go-to choice for those who know vehicles best. From professional mechanics to passionate car enthusiasts, our products are built to meet their high standards and backed by a lifetime warranty for added peace of mind. Is your car suffering from arthritis? Over time, your vehicle's suspension components, especially bushings, the cartilage of your car, can wear down, leading to clunks, vibrations, unpredictable handling, and uneven tire wear. Nolathane's high-performance polyurethane bushings are the proven remedy, designed to outlast standard rubber bushings and restore that like-new driving feel. With an extensive product range with lifetime warranty, our comprehensive catalog covers control arms, sway bars, trailing arms, and more, suitable for nearly every make and model. With Nolathane, you're not just replacing parts, you're upgrading your suspension system for superior performance. Why choose Nolathane? Unlike traditional rubber, Nolathane bushings offer many benefits, such as superior durability giving you outstanding resistance to abrasion and chemicals, enhanced performance providing sharper handling and improved stability, and also increased safety through minimized suspension geometry changes during braking, acceleration, and cornering. Whether it's your daily commute, weekend adventures, or heavy-duty needs, Nolathane delivers a safer, more responsive driving experience. Trusted worldwide, now in the USA. For decades, drivers globally have relied on Nolathane to enhance their vehicles. Now, we're excited to bring our legacy of performance to American roads. Say goodbye to arthritis and upgrade your suspension with Nolathane, the trusted name in precision and durability, backed by a lifetime warranty.